Ladies and gentlemen, imagine conquering Moab's slickrock trails in complete silence, with 650 horsepower surging instantly under your right foot, doors tossed aside for that raw, open-air rush, and not a single gas station in sight for hundreds of miles. But can an electric Jeep really capture the untamed soul of the Wrangler legend? Or does going battery-powered mean trading rugged freedom for range anxiety and compromises? That's the bold promise and the big question behind the all-new 2026 Jeep Recon EV, Jeep's first fully electric, trail-rated beast. Is this the future of off-roading we've been waiting for? Or just an electrified tease? Let's hit the trail and find out. Starting with the exterior, because this is where the Recon screams Jeep from every angle. It's a boxy, retro-modern midsize SUV, stretching 193.3 inches long, 74.8 inches wide, and around 74 inches tall, riding on a 112.9-inch wheelbase. That's shorter than a Wrangler Unlimited for nimbler handling, but still substantial on the road. Up front, you've got the iconic illuminated 7-slot grille with glowing rings and U-shaped LED headlights that wrap aggressively, flanked by an exposed tow hook in signature red. The profile is pure adventure. Exaggerated wheel flares, a low beltline for great visibility, flush E-release door handles, and massive 33-inch Nexen Roadian all-terrain tires on 18-inch wheels, standard for the Moab trim, wrapped in 265/70 rubber for serious grip. Doors? Fully removable without tools, along with the rear quarter glass and even the swing gate glass for ultimate open-air freedom. At the rear, square wraparound LED taillights echo Wrangler heritage, a full-size spare mounted on the swing gate, a segment exclusive, and a subtle diffuser with optional rock rails for protection. Does it look the part? Absolutely. Rugged, expressive, and instantly recognizable as a Jeep. Available in vibrant colors like Hydro Blue, Red Hot, or Earthy Juice. That 9.1 to 9.4 inches of ground clearance, 34-degree approach, 34.5-degree departure, and 23.5-degree breakover angles make it trail-rated ready. But here's the balance. At over 6,100 pounds, it's heavy, which can feel in tight maneuvers. And that lower ground clearance compared to some Wranglers means you're more cautious on extreme rocks. Water-fording tops at 24 inches, solid, but short of the gas Wrangler's 30+. The sloping hood and short overhangs help angles, yet the unibody design, versus Wrangler's body-on-frame, trades some ultimate toughness for better on-road refinement. It's stunning parked or crawling, but not quite as indestructible feeling as the Icon. Step inside, or hop in with doors off, and the cabin blends rugged utility with surprising premium touches. 5 seats in a roomy layout, with head and legroom rivaling a Wrangler Unlimited, but more shoulder space for comfort. Front seats are heated, ventilated, optional, wrapped in durable capri leatherette, or eco-friendly recycled materials, with a bold passenger grab handle and scuff-resistant vortex textures everywhere. The dashboard is horizontal and symmetrical, topped by a modular accessory rail for mounting GoPros or phones. Storage? Clever 2-tier console with wireless charger up top, pass-through for bigger items below, and modular door panels with elastic straps or mesh nets. Rear seats fold 60/40 for versatility, and all-weather rubber mats keep mud at bay. The Moab trim elevates it with Joshua Tree tan tones, premium synthetics, and iron gray accents. Is it luxurious? For a trail machine, yes. Feels handcrafted and sustainable. But honesty check. Some surfaces are hard plastics lower down, and while spacious, the sloping roof cuts a bit of rear headroom for taller folks. Piano black accents scratch easily, and with doors off, wind noise is exactly what you signed up for. Exhilarating or exhausting, depending on the drive. It's built for adventure hauls, yet not the plushest for daily luxury commutes. Technology packs a punch, led by the massive 14.5-inch horizontal Uconnect touchscreen, the largest in any Jeep, running Uconnect 5 with crisp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, Amazon Alexa, and Jeep-exclusive Trails Off-Road app for guides and pitch/roll mapping. A 12.3-inch digital cluster customizes info, including BEV-specific pages for charge status and dynamic range mapping via TomTom. Premium Alpine audio with 11 speakers and subwoofer repositions under seats for clear sound doors off. Over-the-air updates keep it fresh, and options like a dual-pane sunroof or Sky One-Touch Power Top add sky views. Tech impresses for trails and trips, intuitive, off-road focused. But the flip? No physical climate knobs beyond volume/tuning, so deep menus for HVAC can distract, and, while responsive, occasional software glitches have been noted in similar systems. ADAS features over 170 safety items, but some find alerts naggy on rough terrain. Cargo ties into that practicality. 30.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expands to 65.9 when folded, with a flat floor and low lip. Plenty for gear, coolers, or dogs. Plus, a 3 cubic foot frunk up front fits a carry-on perfectly for cables or extras. Versatile and adaptable. Performance. This is where the Recon electrifies. Literally. Dual permanent magnet motors, one front, one rear, deliver 650 horsepower and a massive 620 pound-feet of instant torque. All-wheel drive standard, no low range, but a 15-to-1 rear axle ratio and E-locking differential for multiplication. 0 to 60 blasts in 3.6 seconds. Top speed around 112 miles per hour. Select Terrain offers auto, sport, snow, sand, and rock, Moab exclusive, with select speed for crawling and tuned throttle for precision. Independent suspension soaks trails while keeping on-road composure. Hardened half shafts handle abuse. The Surge is addictive. Silent, relentless pull that's perfect for rock crawling or highway merges. But cons show. Heavyweight dulls agility in quick turns. No traditional low range means less mechanical advantage on extremes than a Wrangler Rubicon. And sustained hard use heats things up faster without a V8's roar. Steering feels accurate, but not ultra-communicative. Range and charging come from the 100 to 100.5 kilowatt-hour battery. EPA estimates 230 miles for Moab trim, up to 250 for others. Real-world mixed driving around 200 to 240, depending on tires and terrain. Efficiency, approximately 70 to 91 miles per gallon equivalent. Charging shines. 400-volt system hits 5 to 80% in 28 minutes. DC fast, 100 miles in 10. Level 2, overnight at home. Towing? 3,300 pounds max. Decent for light trailers, but range tanks hard under load. Strong for adventures without constant plugs. Yet, shorter range than sleeker EVs like Wagoneer S, and towing lags gas Jeeps at 5,000 pounds. Off-road eats range quick. Safety loads up. Over 170 features including pedestrian braking, blind spot monitoring, 360 cameras, rough road cruise, high-strength structure, and skid plates protect the battery. Expected top ratings. The catch? Intrusive assists on trails. And while safe, heavy weight demands respect in emergencies. Pricing starts around $65,000 to $66,995 for the Moab Launch Edition, pushing $70,000 plus, loaded with options like PowerTop or packages. Premium for the capability, but value shines with standard kit. So the 2026 Jeep Recon EV masterfully fuses electric instant power, open-air heritage, and genuine trail-rated chops into a thrilling off-road EV. Flaws like limited range, weight, and no low range notwithstanding. It's proof Jeep's spirit thrives battery power, redefining adventure silently. What do you think? Ready to go electric on the trails, or holding out for that V8 growl? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear.